You're in a heated VALORANT match, clutch situation, sights lined up for the perfect headshot, and then bam, your screen freezes, the dreaded disconnection. Up appears, and just like that you're kicked out of the game. We've all been there, that gut-wrenching feeling of leaving your team hanging, losing crucial rank points, and the sheer frustration of having your competitive spirit crushed by an unstable connection. It's infuriating, isn't it? Disconnecting in VALORANT isn't just an inconvenience, it can ruin your entire gaming session and even your rank. But what if I told you that most of these frustrating disconnects aren't a mystery, and there are straightforward solutions to get you back into the fight? In this video we're diving deep into the most common reasons why VALORANT keeps kicking you out, and more importantly, we're giving you a full step-by-step guide to fix them for good. Get ready to stabilize your connection and dominate those lobbies without interruption. First things first, before we dive into anything complex, let's hit the reset button on your network. A simple router and modem restart often works wonders, clearing up any temporary network glitches that might be causing your VALORANT connection to drop. Also, if you're on Wi-Fi, seriously consider plugging directly into your router with an Ethernet cable. It's a game changer for stability. Sometimes the issue lies with VALORANT's own protective software, Vanguard, or even the Riot client itself. Try completely exiting the Riot client from your system tray, or then restart your. If that doesn't do it, a quick uninstall and reinstall of Vanguard, it usually prompts you after restarting. If it's not detected, can fix many underlying game-specific connection problems. Your computer's security software, like your firewall or antivirus, can sometimes be a little too protective, mistakenly blocking VALORANT's connection to the servers. Head into your Windows Defender firewall settings and make sure VALORANT and Vanguard are added to the list of all-out apps. Temporarily disabling your third-party antivirus for a test match can also help identify if it's the culprit. Before tearing your hair out, but always check Riot's official server status page. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. If the servers are green, then let's verify your game files through the Riot client, which ensures no corrupted data is causing issues. Lastly, consider flushing your DNS hacky by typing up config flushes in command prompt, which can resolve outdated connection information.